everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a spring kind of tutorial, and unfortunately it's like super rainy and cold outside, so the lighting isn't fabulous, but that's okay, we're gonna work with it. It really doesn't feel like spring, but that's okay. So, yeah, let's just jump right into this tutorial. I've already done my eyebrows, and I'm just going to do my face quick. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And just dot that all over my face, and then just rub it in. And then for my foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. And this has like a little spatula type thing, so it's probably not the most sanitary thing, but I'm the only one who uses it, so I just dot it all over my face. Like so. So now that I look like a ghost, I'm going to put some concealer on. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I feel like all my things have like the same name, like Photo Focus No Filter. And I just use the same sponge. And then right away I am going to set underneath my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Sorry, I'm just shaking it up. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder, just because I'm trying to use this up. As you can see, I don't have that much left, so I'm just trying to use it up on the rest of my face. Not that I don't like it, I do like it, but. Okay, so now I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face, and I'm going to be using this Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette, which I got in my BoxyCharm a few months ago, but it is perfect for spring. So I love I'm going to use the bronzer, the blush, and the highlight. So the bronzer is shimmery, if that's something that bothers you. I like it, so whatever. Now, my bronzer does not look like this extreme off camera, but if your bronzer does turn out pretty dramatic like this, just take your damp sponge and just kind of go over the places that you've put that bronzer. Okay, and now I'm using the blush from the palette. I love this color. And then the highlight. Okay, and that is my face done, so I'm going to zoom you in so we can do the eyes. Now that you are up close and personal, I'm going to be using this BoxyCharm and Pure palette that I got in my BoxyCharm, obviously. I just think that the colors are perfect for spring, and I've been using this for a while, and I'm excited to do like a spring look with it. So first thing I'm gonna do, I have to like stay in the same spot if I want to be focused. First one I'm going to take is the lightest shade in the palette on a big fluffy brush. Just dust that all over my lid and crease area. And I'm just pretty much gonna go across this top line. So next I'm going in with this color. And this I'm just gonna focus more in my crease. And then, like I said, I'm just going to keep going. So the third shade here. These all have names. Forgot. The first one I used was Perfect, then Nakey, and now I'm using Belle. And I've just been using the same brush this whole time. And then I'm going to take this pink shade down at the bottom. You can kind of tell that it's pink. And I'm just going to really lightly tap my brush in twice and then tap it off. And same brush, just put this in the crease. And then for the lid color, this is going to be a pretty monochromatic look. I'm going to use the shade Squad right here at the end. So I'm going to put that on a flat brush like so. And then I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. And that is the top of the lids done. And then I'm pretty much just going to use the same colors on the bottom of my lid, but I'm just going to start with Nakey, which is the second one. And then I'm going to go in with Belle next to it. And I really am kind of smoking out this bottom lash line. And then there is no brow bone shade in this, so I'm just gonna go back with the highlighter that I used on my cheeks and use that to highlight my brow bone. And then for the super fun part, you don't have to do this, but I think it's fun. I'm gonna take that really awesome blue there and I'm gonna use that on my inner corner. I haven't actually tried this blue yet, so we shall see. And I know this is not everybody's cup of tea, but I like it and I'm wearing it, so that's that. So now I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm just using the Tarte mascara. And now for my lips, I'm gonna use pretty much the same color that's on my eyes, not the blue. That would be crazy. This is the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Katsu Matte Lipstick in Nudist Peach. And that is the completed look. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm not sure how I feel about the blue. I'll be honest, kind of makes my eyes look smaller, so I might just wipe that away and use the same highlighter color that I used, but I don't know. See where the day takes me. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you check out my blog, my Facebook, my Pinterest, my Instagram, everything like that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!